Hello friends, this is N Patels and today's our topic is the fraction. So what is fraction? If I explain fraction about by giving some example in our daily life, such as you have taken out you have eaten pizza and divided it into some equal parts. Suppose that you have taken a pizza and divided it into four equal parts and you have distributed amongst your friends. So each friends have taken out one parts, means one of friend have one parts, another friends one parts. It means that each friends have taken out one equal parts. It means that if simply ask how much portion of pizza you have eaten, that is called simply 1 upon fourth part. So how you define it, let's see here. So this is your pizza, right? And you have divided it into four equal parts and you have distributed each equal parts in among your friends. So how can you say that what portion of one friend have eaten? You can say that 1 upon fourth, 1 upon fourth part of the pizza you have taken out or eaten them. So this is called the fraction. In if I explain if I explain fraction in the mathematical language, fraction is a number which is represented in the form of a upon b, but b does not equals to 0. This is called the fraction. Simply that the number which is form of a upon b but b does not equals to 0. This is called the fraction in the mathematical terms. And where a and b are the natural number. A and b are natural number. Natural number or whole number. So fraction is a number which is represented in the form of a upon b but b does not equals to 0, where a and b are the natural number or whole numbers. So this is all about the fraction. So I will giving you some example like that. Suppose 3 upon 4. So here a is 3 and here a is 3 and b is the 4. In other terms, I also explain fraction. Fraction is also known fraction is equals to the numerator upon denominator. Fraction equals to numerator upon denominator. Fraction equals to numerator upon denominator. So let's see some example here. Suppose I have written 4 upon 9. So here is the numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. So this is the fraction. Let's see, we will discuss about more about the fraction, that the type of fraction. So let's see here. There are various type of fraction such as decimal fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. We will discuss here. So first is the decimal fraction. What is decimal fraction? If I explain about the decimal fraction, the fraction which has the fraction in which numerator the fraction in which denominator is 10, 100, thousands, etc. is known as the decimal fraction. A number in which denominator is always 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. is called the decimal fraction. So let's see here some example. Suppose I have written 41 upon 10. If the denominator is like 10 or 100 or thousands, etc. So this is called the decimal fraction. In decimal fraction, the denominator is always 10, 100, thousands and many more. So this is all about the decimal fraction. After decimal fraction, I will tell you about the proper fraction. Second one is the proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction is that in which the denominator is always greater than the numerator. That is called the proper fraction. In proper fraction, denominator is greater than numerator. You can also explain in this way. The value of denominator is always greater than the value of numerator. Let's see here some example. For example, I have written 7 upon 8. So this is called the proper fraction. If I written 21 upon 40, this is called proper fraction. You can give so many examples in this way. But remember one thing, the denominator is always greater than the numerator. It means the value of denominator is always greater than the value of the numerator. And many more. So this is all about the proper fraction. After proper fraction, I will explain about you the improper fraction. What is improper fraction? The number which is the number in which numerator is always greater than the denominator is called the improper fraction. See here. In improper fraction, the value of numerator is always greater than the value of denominator. So let's see here by giving example. Suppose I have written 5 upon 4. So you have see here the value of numerator is greater than the value of denominator. So this is called improper fraction. If I written 9 upon 7, so you have see here the value of numerator is greater than the value of denominator. If I have written 10 upon 6, 11 upon 6, so this is also called the improper fraction. Come to the another one. Next one is the like fraction. What is like fraction? In like fraction, the value of denominator is always equal. In like fraction, the value of denominator is always equal, but the value of denominator is different. So let's see here how can you value of denominator is same, and but values of numerator is different. So this is the definition of like fraction. Now I will give some examples so you can get better understand about the like fraction. So if I written 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 14 by 7, 20 upon 7. So you have see here the value of denominator is same, but the value of denominator is different in these fractions. So these fractions are called the like fraction. Got it? I will give some more example. See here. If I written 2 upon 5, 11 upon 5, 12 upon 5, etc. So you have also see here the value of denominator is same, but the value of numerator is different. So this is called the like fraction. Now come to the next fraction, that is called the unlike fraction. In unlike fraction, the value of both numerator and denominator is different. See here, unlike fraction. In unlike fraction, the value of numerator and denominator, both values are different. See, both numerator and denominator have different values. Both numerator and denominator have different values. See, suppose I have written 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, 8 upon 11. So these are called the unlike fraction. Got it? So next fraction is, come to the next fraction. Next fraction is the mixed fraction. Next fraction is the mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of a natural number or whole number plus proper fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of the natural number plus proper fraction. How? See here. Here I have written 5 and here I have written proper fraction. So 5, 3.4. This is called the mixed fraction. I have written 6, 7 upon 8. This is also called, 6 is the natural number or whole number and 7 upon it is the proper fraction. I have already told you about the proper fraction. Got it? So this is all about the fraction and its type. In next class we will discuss more about the fraction. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.